Team Anvesh here. Now I'm going to give the demo on ICP7. So in ICP7, they mentioned I need to create my own Firebase account to enable authentication using email and password. And also I need to make some changes to the code to save the image in the respective user's account. And the user has, if the user has been logged out from that particular account, and if he's going to log in one more time, then he can able to see the uploaded images once he logged in once he logged in future. So now let me explain the code for this. So here first I created an Firebase account. So this is my Firebase account with the project name as Team61CP, and also there is a script for this Firebase to add Firebase add to be added to the web app. So this is one script, add Firebase to your web app, and this is a script for our Firebase usage. So I copy the script and I placed in the index.html page. So index.html, I copy the Firebase script here. So you can see here Team 6 ICP7 is my project name in Firebase app. So by this I am confirming that I use my Firebase script, and also I created firebase.html and secure.html. So in firebase.html I used two functions for one function for login and one function for register, and I will let me open those two functions. So this is the function for login and this is the function for register. So once the login has been approved, then it will automatically go to the secure page. And also once in register, also if the registration is success, then it will go to the then it will also go to the secure page. Now let me show the demo for this. I'm opening the demo in my. I'm showing my demo in Android phone. For that, I run the command ionic cordova and run Android in terminal. So one second. So this is the command ionic cordova run Android. This is the command I run in terminal to show the demo in my Android phone. So let me open this one. So now I'm going to register the username as anvesh128 at the rate of gmail.com, and the password is 12345 something. I'm giving the password, and I'm going to give register. Then it will go to the secure.html page. So I'm using this camera plugin. I'm taking the pics by using this camera plugin. So now I'm going to take the pic for my laptop, and I'm going to upload that image to my secure page. I mean secure.html page, and I'm going to take two more pics by using this plugin. So I'm taking this one, crop photos, and I'm cropping this, and I'm adjusting some image size and image content. I'm doing okay, and then alert will come as image has been uploaded. So I'm taking one more pic. Okay. So now the three image has been uploaded in this particular user account with email anvesh128 at the 128 at the rate of gmail.com. Now and also I added one more authentication like Google authentication for this additional to email and password. So in ICP they mentioned just we need to enable authentication using email and password. Additional to that, I added the one more authentication like for Google. Let me open that one. So authentication, this one. Sign in method. So here I enabled one is email and password, one more is Google. So now let me explain the code for Google how I did. So for that, I created a small button, and I wrote a function, Google function, and the button name is login with Google. Once this login with Google button has been clicked, then it will call this Google function, which it is present in the app.js, this Google function. Just as I created a sample function, and inside that I wrote some code which is related to the Google authentication and Google APIs and Firebase.auth, something like that. Now let me explain the demo for this Google authentication. So for that, I need to show in by using web app by giving Ionic. So terminating the job, and I'm going to run as new Ionic space. So enter. So okay, now the Firebase login page has been opened. The username and password and the two buttons login and register. So now if I click login with Google, then it will automatically redirect to a secure area page because my Gmail account has been already opened in the open. So let me show that one. So now I'm going to open the Gmail account. So that will automatically open without giving the username and password because it's already logged. Now just I'm checking giving login with Google. So you can see that authentication has been done and it will directly go to the secure area page. So these are a demo for Google authentication. And one more point is remaining in given in the ICP. When the user has been logged in again, it should display the previously stored images. Now let me check whether the image has been stored or not by using this user ID and password. For this also I show in my Android phone. I given the username as anvesh128 at the rate of gmail.com, which I was registered previously in previous video. I mean in previously, and password is 123456, and I'm going login. So it automatically go to the secure area. Inside the secure area page, there are three images which has been uploaded previously. One is my laptop, one is one of the door image, and this one more is a screen of my laptop. So this shows that the second point has been also covered. Now let me show these images in Firebase database. So it is a Firebase and the project which I have been selected is Team 6 ICP7. Inside that I am going to the database. Before that I will show whether my username anvesh128 at the rate of gmail.com has been came here or not. So in the user you can see anvesh128 at the rate of gmail.com has been created here, and it is created on October 6 2018, that is today's date, and signed in as October 6 2018. And please remember this user ID because based on this user ID we need to check whether the three images has been uploaded in database or not. The user ID will starts with TVAK4R08. TVAK4R08. Let me go to the database. So in users, there are three users. Out of the three users, the user ID for anvesh128 at the rate of gmail.com is tvak408, which I asked you to remember previously. So inside this user, I uploaded three images. So check we will check whether this three image has been uploaded or not. So you can able to see inside this user ID, there are images folder. Inside these images, we are seeing three images has been uploaded. So that's it. This is ICP7. Thank you.